राम सारियानु, कैसे हो? सब ठीक। आज हम पैरोनिम एंड होमोनिम करेंगे एसपी बक्सी बुक्स के। Confusion is often caused in understanding the meaning of certain words because they are either similar in meaning and from or similar in their sound of pronunciation. Two words which are different in meaning or use but are similar in form or derivations are called paronyms. On the other hand, homonyms are similar in their sound or pronunciation but different in meaning. They are also called homophones, different in spelling and meaning but pronounced alike. In modern English, paronyms and homophones are not much distinguished. First, access यानी approach. For example, it is very difficult to have an access to the Prime Minister. Next, accession यानी coming to throne. For example, the accession of the prince to the throne was welcomed by the people. Next, excess यानी more than desired. For example, excess of everything is bad. Next, accept यानी to take. For example, the teachers accepted the invitation of the students on the teachers day. Next, accept यानी living out. For example, everybody except Rahul was invited to the party. Next, expect यानी hope. For example, I never expected that my friends would desert me in the lurch. Next, alter यानी change. For example, Mohan is so obstinate that no one can alter his views. Next, altar यानी place of worship. For example, when I visited a temple, I saw him kneeling at the altar. Next, assent यानी agree. Assent यानी agree. For example, I got assent of my father to study in a boarding school. Next, adjacent यानी climbing up. For example, the adjacent to Kargil hills is very arduous. Next, adopt यानी taken up. For example, one should not adopt the bad habits of others. Next, adapt यानी adjust. For example, one must learn to adapt oneself to the circumstances of life. Next, adapt यानी expert. For example, Shruti is adept in the art of dancing. Next, amicable यानी friendly. For example, finally the two brothers came to an amicable settlement. Next, amiable यानी lovable or obliging. For example, being an amiable housewife, she is liked by her kith and kin. Next, accede यानी accept. For example, the director was kind enough to accede to the request of the laborers. Next, exceed यानी surpass. For example, your essay should not exceed 300 words. Next, concede यानी agree. For example, the prisoner did not concede to the argument of the jailer. Next, alteration यानी change. For example, there is no alteration in the program yet. Next, altercation यानी word quarrel. Quarrel. Altercation यानी wordy quarrel. For example, there was altercation between the shopkeeper and my brother. Next, opposite यानी opposite यानी suitable. For example, her remarks about the character of her friends are quite opposite. Next, opposite यानी contrary. For example, Sita's behavior is opposite to that of her brother. Next, affect यानी affect as a verb यानी to influence or to pretend. For example, continuous attack of asthma has affected his health. Next, effect as a noun यानी influence. For example, excessive hard work in life had adverse effect on the health. Next, allusion यानी reference. For example, the poem is explained properly by the help of many allusions. Next, illusion यानी unreal. For example, according to the Vedantist, life is an illusion. Next, L यानी suffer. For example, Rohit is getting weaker day by day. We don't know what else him. Next, L यानी intoxicating drink. For example, he visits LA house Delhi even against the advice of doctors. Next, apprehend यानी fear, perceive, arrest. For example, the soothsayer apprehended the day of Rohit's death. Next, comprehend यानी understand. For example, she could not comprehend the meaning of the passage. Next, admission यानी to get admitted or accepted. For example, these days in order to get admission to convent schools you must give a lot of money. Next, admittance यानी entry. For example, no admittance without a permission. Next, antique यानी of ancient times. For example, there are many antique pieces in the museum. Next, antique यानी odd or tricks. For example, antics of the juggler neglected the children. Next, alternate यानी by turns. For example, we have a normal science class on every alternate day. Next, alternative यानी one of the two choices. For example, there is no alternative to honesty in dealing with the pupil. Next, artful यानी clever. For example, she was able to change the behavior of her in-laws towards her by artful means. Next, artistic यानी pertaining to art. For example, everybody admires her for artistic temperament. Next, artist यानी one who practices fine art. For example, he is a frivolous artist. Next, artiste यानी performing. For example, there was no security for the artist who had come to perform for the charity show. Next, artisan यानी one who does handicraft. For example, the artisans of Muradabad are very skillful. Next, affection यानी love, kindly feeling. For example, my mother is held in high affection and respect by all the members of the family. Next, affectation यानी unnatural behavior or pretense. For example, I always feel vexed at her affectation. Next, abstain यानी keep from things, eating, drinking, voting. For example, we should abstain from drinking. नेक्स्ट refrain यानी keep from bad habits. For example, you should refrain from telling a lie. नेक्स्ट avenge यानी just punishment. For example, Hamlet delayed avenging the murder of his father. नेक्स्ट revenge यानी to punish out of a personal grudge. For example, he revenged himself on his enemy by abducting his minor child. नेक्स्ट adulteration यानी making impure. For example, the owners of the milk dairy were charged with adulteration of milk. नेक्स्ट adultery यानी having extramarital relations. For example, her husband accused her of adultery and deserted her. नेक्स्ट as person यानी slander. For example, we should not cast as persons on our friends. नेक्स्ट aspiration यानी ambition or desire. For example, you can attain your aspiration only by hard work. नेक्स्ट avert यानी to check. For example, a little common sense averted a major mishap. नेक्स्ट advert यानी refer to. For example, he adverted to the problem of Indian society in his speech. नेक्स्ट birth यानी to be born. For example, the exact date of the birth of a person is known from his birth certificate. नेक्स्ट birth यानी a seat in a train. For example, I have got 2 berths booked in the Rajdhani Express. नेक्स्ट bridle यानी reins. For example, it is very difficult to control a horse without a bridle. नेक्स्ट bridal यानी of a bride. For example, the bridal dress must have cost a lot. नेक्स्ट barbaric यानी savage or simple. For example, she was selected to play the part of a village damsel because of her barbaric beauty. नेक्स्ट barbaros यानी inhuman. For example, the Muslim invaders were barbarous in their wars. नेक्स्ट barbarity यानी cruelty. For example, Hitler's barbarity is too terrible to be related. नेक्स्ट barbarism यानी uncivilized conditions. For example, barbarism still prevails in most of the tribal regions of the world. नेक्स्ट beneficial यानी useful. For example, nutritious food is beneficial for health. नेक्स्ट beneficent यानी kind. For example, everybody paid rich tribute to the king as he was beneficent to all and sundry. नेक्स्ट beside यानी by the side of. For example, he sat beside her father. नेक्स्ट besides यानी in addition to. For example, besides English, she is also learning French. bear यानी tolerate or carry or give birth. For example, Mohan cannot bear being insulted by his boss. नेक्स्ट bear यानी naked. For example, he was beaten by a snake as he was barefoot. नेक्स्ट borne यानी carried. For example, the dead body was borne by his friends. नेक्स्ट born यानी take birth. For example, Pearl was born in Ashwini Hospital at Mumbai. नेक्स्ट bail यानी security. For example, his application for release on bail was rejected. Next, bal. Bal yani bundle of cloth. For example, he was carrying a bale of cotton on his head. Next, beatific. Beatific yani feeling joy and peace. For example, the saints are always in a beatific state of mind. Next, beatitude. Beatitude yani state of bliss or blessedness. For example, he experienced beatitude, beatitude before he died. Next, caste. Caste yani class of society. For example, in ancient times, people were divided into different castes according to the work they did. Next, caste yani through. For example, we cast away old clothes and bury new ones. Next, cost. Cost yani price. For example, the cost of living has risen a lot. Next, childlike. Childlike yani simple, innocent as a child. For example, her childlike face has won over many hearts. Next, childish. Childish yani silly. For example, nobody likes him for his childish habits. Next, canvas. Canvas yani propagate. Propagate. For example, because of approaching elections, people are canvassing for their candidates. Next, canvas. Canvas yani rough cloth. For example, while jogging, he always wears canvas shoes. Next, cite. Cite yani to quote. For example, the advocate cited many examples to prove his case. Next, site. Site yani place. It is a very spacious site for construction a nursing home. Next, site. Site yani scenery or vision. For example, the multilated body of a child was a ghastly sight. Next, continuous yani without a break. For example, he has been sleeping for an hour continuously. Next, continual. Continual yani continuity with a break. For example, it has been drizzling continually since last night. Next, cemetery. Cemetery yani burial place. For example, the dead body was taken to the cemetery for burial. Next, cement. Symmetry yani quality of harmony or balance in a size and design. For example, the building looks exquisite only because of its remarkable symmetry. Next, career. Career yani vocation or profession. For example, if we want to make a good career, we must work. Next, carrier. Carrier yani that one carries. For example, the goods were taken to the destination on public carrier. Next, confident. Confident yani certain or sure. For example, I am very confident of my friend's success in the interview. Next, confident. Confident yani one who shares a secret. For example, once he's confident and now Dinesh is the arch enemy of his mentor. Next, compliment. Compliment yani regards. For example, I complimented my friend on her success. Next, complement. Complement yani that completes. For example, both husband and wife are complement to each other. Next, canon. Canon yani big gun. For example, hundreds of cannons were shot in the battlefield. Then next, canon. Canon yani principle or a law. For example, canons of any religion are not easy to follow. Next, creditable. Next, creditable यानी praiseworthy. For example, it is really creditable for a village boy to have topped the university. Next, credible यानी believable. For example, your excuse is not credible. Next, credulous यानी simple or artless. For example, children are credulous by nature. Next, comma यानी state of unconsciousness. For example, after the accident, my friend had been in a state of coma for several hours. Next, comma यानी a mark of punctuation. For example, comma is a very important part of learning punctuation. Next, corporal यानी physical. For example, in my school, the children are not given corporal punishment. Next, corporeal यानी having body or material. For example, ghosts are not corporeal beings. Next, comprehensive यानी exhaustive or extensive. For example, comprehensive steps have been taken to meet with unforeseen emergency. Next, comprehensible यानी understandable. For example, the talk of the new student in our class was not comprehensible to us at all. Next, contagious यानी that spreads by contact. For example, smallpox is a contagious disease. Next, contiguous यानी adjacent. For example, New Delhi and Noida are contiguous. Next, censure यानी blame or criticize. For example, censure motion tabled by the opposition fell through. Next, censor यानी examination of films and plays. For example, the film The Bandit Queen has not been approved of by the censor board. Next, collision यानी striking against face to face. For example, due to heavy fog, the car met with a collision. Next, collusion यानी nexus. For example, there was a collusion between the smugglers and the political leaders. Next, contemptible यानी deserving contempt. For example, the conduct of the taxi driver was highly mean and contemptible. Next, contemptuous यानी expressing contempt. For example, she dismissed the servant with a contemptuous gesture. Next, considerable यानी large or to great extent. For example, the industrialist spent a considerable amount of money to uplift the living conditions of his workers. Next, considerate यानी thoughtful to others. For example, he is beneficent and considerate to his subordinates. Next, ceremonious यानी formal. For example, one should not be very ceremonious in the marriage of daughters. Next, ceremonial यानी of ceremony. For example, I could not attend the ceremonial function of his marriage. Next, complacent यानी pleasing or obliging. For example, he is popular with his friends on account of his complacent nature. Next, complacent complacent यानी self satisfied. For example, most of the students of my class are complacent in their outlook and will not revolt against the principal. Next, conscious. Conscious यानी aware. For example, we should always be conscious of what is going on around the world. Next, conscience. Conscience यानी inner voice. For example, I always act according to my conscience. Next, consensus. Consensus यानी general agreement. For example, government should be run by consensus. Next, conscientious यानी honest or scrupulous. For example, being a conscientious worker, he never shirks work. Next, coherent यानी intelligible. For example, she was so nervous that her words were not coherent. Next, inherent यानी inborn quality. For example, sincerity is inherent in her character. Next, collaborate यानी work together. For example, Indian industries are compelled to collaborate with multinational companies for survival. Next, corroborate यानी confirm. For example, the principal corroborated the teacher's statement made to the police. Next, casual यानी occasional. For example, he is not casual leave today. Next, causal यानी relating to cause. For example, there is a definite causal relationship between population and poverty. Next, council यानी an assembly. For example, the legislative council has passed the bill. Next, counsel यानी advice. For example, his counsel proved very beneficial in the end. Next, counselor यानी member of council. For example, he is a counselor of the legislative council. Next, counselor यानी advisor. For example, I have engaged a noted counselor to defend my case. Next, corpus यानी dead body. For example, a mutilated corpus was found in a locked room या house. Next, corpse यानी body of troops. For example, he is serving in army ordnance corps. Body of the troops. Next, carcass यानी dead body of animal. For example, a carcass of a dog was lying in the road. Next, coerce यानी rep. For example, though he is quite rich, he wears coarse clothes. Next, course यानी line of action. For example, he has given up immoral course of life. Next, century यानी 100. For example, 20th century will be known as the age of science. Next, centenary यानी 100th anniversary. For example, centenary of Indian national movement was celebrated in 1985 AD. Next, conservation यानी preservation. For example, conservation of forests is very important for our survival. Next, conservatism यानी orthodox ideas. For example, I am quite liberal and do not believe in conservatism. Next, conform यानी adhere to. For example, you must conform to the rules laid down by your company. Next, confirm यानी ratify. For example, I shall confirm my program tomorrow. Next, capacity यानी ability to contain. For example, the hall has a seating capacity for 500 students. Next, capability यानी power of doing things. For example, my friend has capacity to do any difficult task. Next, commonplace यानी ordinary or usual. For example, we are fed up with the commonplace speeches of our leaders. Next, commonplace common common place यानी place for all. For example, the street is a common place for everyone. Next, commandeer यानी siege of military purpose. For example, when martial law was imposed in Pakistan, huge areas of vacant land was commandeered for building airstrip. Next, commander यानी one who commands. For example, the commander of the army ordered the soldier to capture the fort. Next, disease यानी illness. For example, my friend is suffering from a incurable disease. Next, disease यानी death. For example, on account of the disease of his father, the burden of the family fell on his shoulders. Next, deny यानी refers to past action or knowledge. For example, she denied that she had gone to the movie last night. Next, refuse यानी refers to future request or order. For example, Mita refused that she would not return the money. Next, duel यानी fight between two persons. Duel यानी fight between two persons. For example, in ancient times, many duels were fought in order to settle disputes. Next, dual यानी double. For example, she follows dual policy and misguides her husband. Next, difference यानी regards. For example, all children should have deference for their elders. Next, difference यानी distinction. For example, there is no difference among the basic concepts of all the religions. Next, deferment यानी postponement. For example, his application for deferment of hearing was turned down. For example, decent यानी right and suitable. For example, she always wears decent clothes. Next, descent यानी coming down. For example, the descent of all नहीं descent यानी coming down. For example, the descent of the hill is very dangerous. Next, dissent यानी disagreement. For example, only a few members expressed dissent to my suggestion. Next, desert as a noun यानी sandy land. For example, the government has greatly solved the problem of pure drinking water in the desert. Desert as a verb यानी leave. She was deserted by her husband. Desert यानी sweet dish. For example, dessert was served after dinner. Next, dominant यानी dominating. For example, Sohan is very dominant in our class. Next, domineer यानी to dominate. For example, mothers-in-law try to domineer over their daughters-in-law. Next, drought यानी lack of rain. For example, last year most of the areas of Uttar Pradesh suffered from a severe drought. Next, drought यानी current of wind or quantity of a liquid. For example, a draught of a cool wind was very refreshing. Next, defective. Defective यानी having defect. For example, as he met with a severe accident last year, one of his legs is defective. Next, deficient. Deficient यानी lacking. For example, though young, he is deficient in common sense. Next, diverse. Diverse यानी different. For example, the two children of one family may have diverse temperaments. Next, diverse. Diverse यानी several. For example, first, he has consulted diverse doctors about his illness, his disease. Second example, those who dive into river, sea are diverse. Next, deduce. Deduce यानी infer. For example, it is difficult to deduce any conclusion from your ambiguous remarks. Next, deduct. Deduct यानी subtract. For example, 2 days wages will be deducted from your monthly salary. Next, deliverance. Deliverance यानी freedom or emancipation. For example, Lord Buddha preached eightfold path to attain deliverance from sorrow of life. Next, delivery. Delivery यानी giving letters. For example, the delivery of the letter was just in time. Next, decry. Decry यानी criticize. For example, the foreign policy of the Congress party has always been decried. Next, descry. Descry यानी dimly seen. Descry यानी dimly seen. For example, we could descry only a traveler in the bleak evening. Next, defy. Defy यानी violate. For example, how dare you defy my orders. Next, deify. Deify. Deify यानी deify. Deify यानी to worship. For example, Swami Vivekananda is deified by every Indian. Next, doze. Doze यानी sleep. For example, the teacher caught him dozing in the class. Next, doze. Doze यानी to of medicine. For example, you should not take a heavy dose of medicine. Next, dam. Dam यानी barrier built to reserve water. For example, a dam has been built on the river. Next, damn. Damn यानी condemn. For example, the book was damned by the critics. Next, diversion. Diversion यानी change in direction. For example, there is a diversion on the road ahead. Next, diversity. Diversity यानी variety. For example, diversity is the chief feature of our civilization. Next, inviolable. Inviolable यानी causing envy. For example, all the people are jealous because of his inviolable position in the society. Next, envious. Envious यानी feeling of envy. For example, her friends were envious of her success in the medical entrance examination. Next, exception. Exception यानी objection. For example, there are always exceptions to rules in every language. Next, exceptional. Exceptional यानी rare or to a large extent. For example, in his own class, Rohit is a boy of exceptional abilities. Next, exceptionable. Exceptionable यानी objectionable. For example, I objected to her exceptionable remarks against my parents. Next, eminent. Eminent यानी famous. For example, Shakespeare was an eminent playwright. For example, next, imminent. Imminent यानी impending. For example, Third World War is imminent. Next, immanent. Immanent यानी present everywhere. For example, divine force is immanent in universe. Next, eligible. Eligible यानी eligible यानी fit to be chosen. For example, untrustworthy people are not eligible for responsible posts. Next, illegible यानी that cannot be read. For example, I can't read this letter as her handwriting is illegible. Next, exceedingly यानी to a great extent, good sense में. For example, one of my cousin is an exceedingly rich person. Next, excessively यानी in a great extent, bad sense में. For example, they spent money on the feast lavishly and excessively. Next, exhausting. Exhausting यानी tiring. For example, teaching nursery classes is very exhausting job. Next, exhaustive यानी exhaustive यानी detailed or comprehensive. For example, the teacher gave to the students exhaustive notes on English grammar. Next, exhausted यानी tired. For example, he was exhausted and went to bed immediately. Next, economical यानी frugal. For example, a housewife should always be economical if she wants to run her house smoothly. Next, economic यानी pertaining to economy. For example, India is yet to cross many hurdles to overcome economic crisis. Next, economics यानी a subject. For example, economics is an interesting subject. For example, elude यानी escape. For example, Sohan was next elude यानी escape. For example, Sohan was so clever that he eluded the police and escaped from the prison. Next, allude यानी rapper or cite. For example, the speaker alluded to many examples from the Gita. Next, excite यानी stir up feelings. For example, the people got very excited when the police refused to take any action against the culprits. Next, incite यानी arousing to action. For example, the communal speech of the leader incited the mob to violence. Next, insight यानी ability to see the truth. For example, India needs leaders of a great insight. Next, envelope यानी cover or wrap. For example, as the dark clouds covered the sky, the whole town was enveloped in darkness. Next, envelope यानी a letter cover. Please put the letter in the envelope. Next, expeditious यानी quick or prompt. For example, Dattu is very expeditious in answering letters. Next, expedient यानी practical or contrary to principles. For example, selfish persons are always expedient in their approach to life. Next, expedition यानी a journey to unknown place. For example, they were go on an expedition to Everest. Next, esteem यानी respect. For example, as Mahesh is very sociable, he is held in high esteem by his friends. Next, estimate यानी calculate. For example, can you give me the estimate of the cost of the house? Next, estimation यानी opinion or judgment. For example, my estimation, he is the fool of the first water. Next, एक्सपोजर यानी रिवील और एक्सपोज्ड टू heat or cold. For example, she will not attend office today as she is suffering from exposure. Next, exposition यानी explanation. For example, Tilak's exposition of the Gita is remarkable. Next, egotist यानी one who talks a lot of oneself. For example, it is difficult to stand the company of an egotist. Next, egoist यानी one who believes in a self interest or proud. For example, an egoist is moved only by self interest while helping others. Next, emerge यानी come out. For example, it is hoped that he will emerge successful out of these trying conditions. Next, emerge immerse यानी plunge into or absorb in. For example, being a man of contemplative nature, he is always immersed in a pensive mood. Next, eruption यानी bursting. Eruption यानी bursting. For example, the eruption of a volcano caused heavy destruction on the island. Next, eruption यानी attack. For example, the eruption of Pakistan army was successfully repulsed. Next, elemental यानी of nature or elements. For example, in spite of elemental hardships, Columbus discovered America. Next, elementary यानी beginning or introductory. For example, you must have elementary knowledge of science. Next, excursion यानी picnic. For example, the students will go on excursion tomorrow. Next, incursion यानी sudden attack. For example, incursions by Pakistan and China into our borders speak of our weakness. Next, entrance यानी opening or gate. For example, the entrance to the fair by this route has been blocked up. Next, entry यानी coming into. For example, the entry of student leaders into college premises is banned. Expensive यानी costing much money. For example, she bought a less expensive dress. Next, valuable यानी useful. For example, the book provides valuable data for further study. Next, fatal यानी causing death. For example, on his way to school, he met with an accident and received a fatal wound in the leg. Next, fateful यानी very significant. For example, the formation of INA was a fateful event. Next, fatalist यानी believer in fate. For example, Indians are fatalist by nature. Next, forceful यानी strong and powerful. For example, Netaji had a forceful personality. Next, forcible यानी by force, compulsion. For example, he was evicted from the house forcibly. Next है फीन यानी pretend. For example, in order to save himself, the accused feigned madness in the court. Next, fan FAN यानी gladly. For example, she would fan do anything for her friends. Next, forgo यानी give up. For example, parents forgo their own comforts for the sake of their children. Next, forego यानी go before. For example, this point has been dealt with in detail in the foregoing passage. Next, facility यानी convenience or dexterity. For example, the hotel provides all kinds of facilities to its customers. Next, felicity यानी apt expression or joy. For example, may God bless you with felicity. Next, facilitate यानी make easy. For example, the new agreement will facilitate the development of the trade. Next, felicity. नेक्स्ट है फेलिसिटेट यानी टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई फेलिसिटेटेड हिम ऑन हिज सक्सेस. फेयर यानी सो जस्ट और कलर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट अस गो टू नौचंडी फेयर. नेक्स्ट, फेयर फायर यानी पैसेज मनी और डील. फेयर यानी पैसेज मनी और डील. मील फेयर यानी पैसेज मनी और मील. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज अ स्टीप राइज इन रेलवे फेयर. नेक्स्ट, फॉर्मेलिटी यानी सो सेरेमनी. सेरेमनी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ट्रू फ्रेंड्स नेवर ऑब्जर्व फॉर्मेलिटी विथ ईच अदर. नेक्स्ट, फॉर्मेलिज्म यानी ऑब्जर्वेंस ऑफ राइट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्वामी दयानंद taught the Hindus to shun formalism in religion. नेक्स्ट, फिस्कल यानी अप पब्लिक रेवेन्यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग डाउन द फिस्कल डेफिसिट इन द नेक्स्ट बजट. नेक्स्ट, फाइनेंशियल यानी मॉनेटरी. ही. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही सफर्ड ह्यूज फाइनेंशियल लॉस इन द बिजनेस. नेक्स्ट, जेंटल यानी not harsh. For example, we should be gentle and polite to our elders. Next, genteel यानी well mannered or of the upper class. For example, people belonging to middle class try to maintain the style of a gentle class of society. Next, gamble यानी to play for stake. Gamble यानी to play for stake. For example, on the occasion of Diwali, people gamble and are ruined. Next, gumball यानी to frisk. For example, it is a beautiful sight to see a deer gambolling in a forest. Next, graceful यानी ब्यूटीफुल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी हैज अ ग्रेसफुल गेट. नेक्स्ट, ग्रासियस यानी काइंड और मर्सीफुल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गॉड इज ग्रेसियस. नेक्स्ट, गेट यानी डोर यानी दरवाजा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द डेकॉइट्स एंटर्ड द हाउस थ्रू द मेन गेट. नेक्स्ट, गेट यानी मैनर ऑफ वॉकिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हर gait is graceful. Next, gravitation यानी pulling towards or attracting. For example, theory of gravitation was invented by Newton. Next, gravity यानी quality of being serious. For example, one must observe gravity on solemn occasions. Next, hoard यानी a mass or to store. For example, as he is a smuggler, he has a hoard of gold and silver in his house. Next, horde यानी a gang. For example, a horde of militants intruded into Indian territory. Next, historic यानी likely to be famous in history. For example, Kapil Dev scored historic victory. Kapil Dev scored historic victory by winning the World Cup in 1983. Next, histrionic यानी art of acting. For example, Rekha is known for his histrionic talents. Next, historical यानी of history. For example, I visited many historical buildings in Delhi while I was in school. Next, humility यानी politeness. For example, humility in victory is a rare virtue. For example, next, Next, humiliation. Humiliation any insult or disgrace. For example, all respectable persons prefer death to humiliation. Next, honorary. Honorary any unpaid. For example, my sister taught me my sister taught in a college as a honorary tutor. Next, honorable. Honorable yani deserving honor. For example, he is a regarded honorable member of the club. Next, human. Human any race of man. Human any race of man. For example, on account of ecological disturbances, the existence of human beings is endangered. Next, humane. Humane any kind. For example, doctors are supposed to be considerate and humane. Next, hail. Hail yani belong to or welcome or present rain. For example, those hailing from Bangladesh are living illegally in this country. Next, hail. H-A-L-E. Hail yani healthy. For example, he is hale and hearty and enjoys life to his full. Next, healthy. Healthy yani having health. For example, in spite of his old age, he is quite healthy. Next, healthful. Healthful yani promoting health. For example, the climate of hill stations is healthful. Next, hypocritical. Hypocritical yani guilty of hypocrisy. For example, I do not like his hypocritical attitude towards his friends. Next, hypercritical. Hypercritical yani too critical. For example, it does not pay in life to be hypercritical of trivial matters. Next, humanity. Humanity yani mankind or quality of being kind. For example, one must act in the larger interest of humanity. Next, humanism. Humanism any devotion to human interest. For example, act of humanism is always appreciated. Next, hollow. Hollow any not solid or with a hole or false. For example, the stick is hollow, nothing is inside it. Next, hollow. Hollow yani id or sacred. For example, the hallowed shrine is visited by the devotees throughout the year. Next, halo. Halo yani circle of light around the head. For example, holy men are holy men are painted with halo around their heads. Next, industrial. Industrial yani pertaining to industry. For example, industrial progress in India has not been rapid. Next, industrious yani hardworking. For example, my friend is an industrious man and he achieved success in life. Next, impossible. Impossible yani that is not possible. For example, if we make up our mind and work hard, nothing is impossible in this world. Next, im, im, impossible. Impossible yani that cannot be passed through. For example, many passages in the Himalayas are impossible during winter. Next, ingenious. Ingenious and skillful or clever. For example, she devised an ingenious scheme to hoodwink the police. Next, ingenious. Ingenious and frank or innocent. For example, children are liked for their ingenious nature. Next, imaginary. Imaginary and fanciful or unreal. For example, don't be daunted by imaginary troubles. Next, imaginative and contemplative. For example, poets and artists are imaginative by temperament. Next, intelligible and understandable. For example, your remarks your remarks are not intelligible to me. Next, intelligent. Intelligent यानी wise and sensible. For example, only intelligent students are found to succeed in this world of steep competition. Next, immoral. Immoral यानी not according to morality. For example, an immoral person suffers in the long run. Next, unmoral. Unmoral यानी non-moral or amoral. For example, unmoral persons are not concerned with morality or the immorality of an action. Next, incomparable. Incomparable यानी without equal. For example, she was a damsel of incomparable beauty. Next, uncomparable. Uncomparable यानी having no similarity. For example, the security problems of India and Pakistan are uncomparable. Next, invert. Invert यानी to put upside down. For example, put this statement in inverted commas. Next, inert. Inert यानी passive. For example, inert gases are without active chemical properties. Next, inept. Inept यानी incompetent. For example, inept handling of a situation resulted in riots. Next, inept. Inept यानी unsuitable. For example, the title of the story is inept. Inept. Next, incidental. Incidental यानी happening as natural or a part of. For example, the risk of loss is always incidental to any business. Next, accidental. Accidental यानी by chance. For example, it was just an accidental meeting between the two schoolmates. Next, jealous. Jealous यानी full of jealousy. For example, all his friends are jealous of him. Next, jealous. Jealous यानी enthusiastic. For example, my brother is very jealous about his new appointment. Next, judicious. Judicious यानी wise or thoughtful. For example, we must be judicious in the choice of our career. Next, judicial. Judicial यानी pertaining to judiciary. For example, he was sent to judicial lockup by the magistrate. Next, kindly. Kindly यानी acts or feelings. For example, I shall never forget your kindly act. Next, kind. Kind यानी tender or pitiful. For example, he is a kind man who helps everybody. Next, lightning. Lightning यानी flash of light. For example, lightning struck his house and set the whole house on fire. Next, lightning. Lightning. Lightning यानी make light. Lightning यानी make light. For example, he is always interested in lightening the financial burden of his father. Next, luxurious. Luxurious यानी pertaining to luxury. For example, as she is the daughter of a rich industrialist, she lives a very luxurious life. Next, luxuriant. Luxuriant यानी rich in growth. For example, the hills of Uttarakhand are teeming with luxuriant forests. Next, loth यानी detest. For example, the rich should not loth the poor. Next, loth यानी loth or unwilling. For example, she was loth to go with him alone. Next, limit. Limit any extent. For example, you must spend within your limits. Next, limitation. Limitation any shortcomings. For example, there are many limitations in parliamentary form of government in backward countries. Next, loud. Loud यानी loud sound. For example, everyone was alarmed when there was a loud blast in the locality. Next, loudly. Loudly यानी in a loud manner. For example, the teacher forbade them to speak loudly. Next, allowed. Allowed यानी audible. For example, the students requested the teacher to speak aloud. Next, learned. Learned यानी erudite or educated. For example, he is not only rich but also learned and wise. Next, learned यानी past of learn. For example, he learned his lesson very well. Next, literal यानी expressed in words. For example, most of the words are used in a literal and figurative sense. Next, literary यानी of literature. For example, he is a literary man and reads a lot of books. Next, maze यानी winding paths. For example, the walled city is full of mazes. Next, maze यानी MAIZD. Maize यानी a kind of corn. For example, maize grows in abundance in Africa. Next, memorable यानी worthy of remembering. For example, in the plays of Shakespeare we find a lot of memorable quotations. Next, memorial यानी statue or anything in the memory of. For example, we collected money to erect a memorial in the memory of war heroes. Next, immemorial यानी longer than people can remember. For example, the religious rites of the Hindus are immemorial tradition. Next, momentary यानी short lived. For example, one should not run after the worldly pleasures as they are momentary. Next, momentous यानी very important. For example, Operation Shakti at Pokhran was the momentous event in the history of independent India. Next, morale यानी the state of spirit or confidence. For example, the morale of the army should always be high. Next, moral यानी sense of right and wrong or lesson. For example, we are advised to pursue a moral course of life. Next, maritime यानी relating to sea or ships. For example, once Britain was a great maritime power. Next, marine यानी found in the sea or trade by sea. For example, India should develop a marine trade to earn foreign exchange. Next, manifest यानी obvious or evident. For example, it should be manifest to all by now that China and Pakistan are inciting trouble on our borders. Next, manifestation any act or desire that makes obvious. For example, indiscipline among the youth is just a manifestation of serious national evil. Next, negligible यानी unimportant. For example, the Dakotas attacked his house yesterday night, but his loss is negligible. Next, negligent यानी careless in duty. For example, we should not be negligent in our duty. Next, neglectful यानी careful. For careless. Neglectful यानी careless. Neglectful यानी careless. For example, he is so neglectful that he doesn't care for his family's interest. Next, notable यानी creditable. For example, India has made a notable progress in the field of agriculture. Next, noticeable यानी easy to notice. For example, there is a noticeable improvement in the patient. Next, notorious यानी famous or unfavorable. For example, our political leaders are notorious for their apathy to public interest. Next, noted यानी famous. For example, the leader is noted for his honesty. Next, observance यानी compliance. For example, in order to remain healthy, observance of a certain simple rules is required. Next, observation यानी notice. For example, children have very keen observation power. Next, ordinance यानी a government order. For example, the government has issued an ordinance against the people who do not pay the taxes on time. Next, ordinance यानी a gun. For example, there is an ordnance factory at Kanpur. Next, official. Official यानी pertaining to office. For example, you are bound to maintain official secrecy. Official secrecy. Officious. Next, officious यानी ready to offer services or flatterer. For example, beware of officious fellows. Next, organization यानी institution. For example, he is working in an organization. नहीं, he is working in a non-governmental organization. Next, organism. Organism यानी living being with parts working together. For example, human organism is a complex system. Next, organic. Organic यानी of an organ. For example, organic diseases destroy the organs. Next, petrol. Petrol यानी fuel. For example, petrol is very costly these days. Next, patrol. Patrol यानी go round. Petrol go round. For example, the petrol van. The petrol van is regularly moving on the highway day and night for our protection. Next, providential. Providential यानी divine. For example, my friend's providential escape at the critical moment saved his life. Next, provident. Provident यानी frugal or thrifty. For example, she is quite provident and economical in household expenses. Next, providence. Providence यानी divine force. For example, trust is providence for good days. Next, practical. Practical यानी not theoretical. For example, the scientist gave a practical demonstration of his experiment. Next, practicable. Practicable यानी capable of being practiced. For example, practiced. Practicable यानी capable of being practiced. For example, only practicable schemes are adopted by our managing director. Next, proscribe. Proscribe यानी ban or prohibit. For example, incident books are generally proscribed by the government. Next, prescribe. Prescribe यानी recommend or advise. For example, doctor has prescribed a very efficacious medicine for the treatment of the disease. Next, popular. Popular यानी admirable. For example, as Mrs. Nina is a very kind teacher, she is very popular with her students. Next, populous. Populous यानी thickly populated. For example, China is the most populous country in the world. Next, pale. Pale यानी boldless or yellowish. For example, due to his prolonged sickness, he looks very pale now. Next, pail. P-A-I-L. Pail यानी container. For example, a pail full of milk was lying in the kitchen. Next, pair. Pair यानी double of a thing. For example, I gave a pair of new shoes to my brother on his birthday. Next, pair. Pair यानी trim. Pair यानी trim. For example, please pair your finger nails regularly. Next, pen. Pen यानी P-A-N. Pen यानी window glass. For example, our window pane was broken by the children who were playing cricket outside our house. Next, pain. P-A-I-N. Pain यानी suffering of mind or body. For example, she was feeling pain in her neck. Next, peel. Peel यानी to remove the skin. For example, please wash the mangoes before you peel them. Next, peeled. 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 Peeled यानी a loud sound. For example, on hearing his jokes, all of us went into a peal of laughter. Next, personal. Personal यानी private. Personal यानी private. For example, personal यानी private. For example, we were asked to express our personal views on this subject in the debate. For example, personal यानी नहीं, next है personal यानी persons employed. For example, the personal department has issued a termination notice to Sachin. Next, punctual यानी at a fixed time. For example, punctual students alone deserve a splendid success. Next, punctilious यानी very careful in duty. For example, we are taught to be very punctilious in our work in the school. Next, prudent यानी wise or careful or foresight. For example, it is prudent on her part to break with selfish friends. Next, prudential यानी of prudent actions policy. For example, the prudential actions of my father saved the family from financial crisis. Next, precedent यानी previous examples. For example, the lawyer cited many precedents in support of his case. Next, president यानी head of institution. For example, Indian president is only only de jure head of the government. Next, physique यानी physical health. For example, he is a smart young man with a good physique. Next, physique यानी medicine. For example, no physique has yet been discovered to cure cancer. Next, physics यानी a subject. For example, physics is my favorite subject. Next, pray यानी prey यानी hunt and kill. As for example, as a national bird, the peacock is not a bird of prey. Next, pray यानी offer prayers. For example, he prays to God daily. Next, proceed यानी to move forward. For example, in spite of difficulties, he proceeded with his enterprise. Next, precede यानी to go before. For example, I have mentioned every detail in the preceding passage. Next, politic यानी prudent or wise. For example, it is not a politic to flog the dead horse. Next, political यानी of politics. For example, the political parties in India have no concern for the poor. Next, prosecute यानी file a suit in the court. For example, you are likely to be prosecuted in the court for violation of rules. Next, persecute यानी oppress. For example, she was mercilessly persecuted for not beginning a car in not bringing a car in dowry. Next, pitiable यानी deserving pity. For example, the condition of the family is pitiable on account of poverty. Next, pitiful यानी making one feel pity. For example, it was a pitiful sight to see a beggar woman suffering from cancer. Next, polity यानी form of government. For example, Indian polity is not in a healthy state these days. Next, policy यानी plan of action. For example, honesty is the best policy. Next, proscription यानी prohibition. For example, the proscription यानी prohibition. For example, the proscription of the newspaper was resented by the people. Prescription यानी recommend prescription यानी recommendation. For example, the prescription of a medicine by the doctor proved very useful. Next, putrefy. Putrefy यानी not rot. For example, many unclaimed dead bodies lay putrefying in the field. Next, petrify यानी turn into stone or stone. For example, we were petrified with terror to see the ghastly sight of the carnage. Next, righteous यानी just truthful. For example, the principal's anger was righteous for he could not tolerate the indiscipline in the college. Next, rightful यानी having right. For example, he is the rightful owner of the property. Next, rise यानी increase. For example, the traders have raised the price of food grains. Next, rage यानी wipe out. For example, all the huts of the poor were razed to the ground as they needed land to build a 5-star hotel. Reign यानी rule. For example, the reign of Gupta dynasty is known as golden period in the history of India. Next, reign यानी bridle of a horse. For example, he reigned the horse and escaped a fall. Next, right यानी right यानी ceremony. For example, the marriage was performed according to Hindu rites. Next, variety यानी give a shape. Variety यानी give a shape. For example, he is a great playwright. Next, write यानी compose. For example, please write in the notebook. Next, wrote यानी put to defend. Put to defeat. Wrote यानी put to defeat. For example, the enemy was routed by Indian forces. Next, route यानी path. For example, you should not go by long route. Next, respective यानी belonging to each. For example, after the match he left for our respective homes. Next, respectable यानी enjoying respect. For example, his father is a respectable man of the city. Respectful यानी showing respect. For example, you must be respectful to your elders. Next, rapt यानी fully attentive. For example, they listened to the speech of the prime minister with rapt attention. Next, wrapped यानी lost in or absorbed. For example, she did not notice my arrival as she was wrapped in her thoughts. Next, recourse यानी means of action. For example, I do not advise you to have recourse to legal action in this matter. Next, resource यानी means or raw material. For example, India is a land teeming with natural resources. Next, symbol यानी sign or to represent something. For example, Vinoba Bhave was a symbol of simplicity and honesty. Next, symbol यानी a musical instrument. For example, the melodious sound of the cymbals impressed everybody. Next, stationery यानी writing material. For example, his father deals in office stationery. Next, stationery यानी static or fixed. For example, the sun is stationary. Next, soar यानी rise or fly. For example, birds are soaring in the sky. Next, soar यानी wound or painful. For example, people are sore because the prices are soaring. Next, sour यानी bitter. For example, the grapes are sour. Next, suspect यानी to think to be true. For example, the whole class suspects Rohan to have stolen Rita's money. Next, doubt यानी to think to be untrue. For example, I doubt if she will get through the examination. Next, sociable यानी fond of mixing with people. For example, because of her sociable behavior, she is liked by all the members of her family. Next, social यानी pertaining to society. For example, man is a social animal. Next, sensual यानी voluptuous or exciting sense. For example, we should not indulge in sensual pleasures or we will repent later on. Next, sensuous. Sensuous यानी that affects the senses. For example, John Keats poetry is sensuous. Next, spacious. Spacious यानी having large space. For example, my house contains many spacious rooms. Next, spacious यानी outwardly attractive. For example, nobody was impressed with his spacious arguments. Next, spiritual यानी opposed to material or of spirit. For example, Indians should not give up their spiritual heritage. Next, spirituous spirituous यानी containing intoxicating drink. Spirituous यानी containing intoxicating drink. For example, excessive consumption of spirituous drink is injurious to health. Next, stimulant यानी that which stimulates. For example, tea is a stimulant for a worker after a day's hard work. Next, stimulus यानी incentive. For example, man hardly acts if there is no stimulus before him. Next, special यानी specific. For example, he came here on a special mission to bring about reconciliation between the two parties. Next, spatial. Next, spatial यानी to a great degree. For example, it is especially hot these days. Next, story यानी upper part of a building. For example, he lives in the second story of the house. Next, story यानी tell. For example, it is a very interesting story. Next, suit यानी a set of clothes or a lawsuit. For example, he presented me with a woolen suit. Next, suite यानी a set of rooms. For example, he has booked a suite in the hotel. Next, sham यानी pretend to be or pretense. For example, what he says is all sham. Next, shame यानी feeling of humiliation. For example, he felt shame at having told a lie. Next, severe यानी violent or rigorous. For example, she is suffering from severe headache. Next, sever यानी separate. For example, you can never sever relations with your family. Next, statue यानी figure of animal or man in stone or wood. For example, the statue of Dr. Ambedkar was unveiled by the president. Next, statute यानी यानी law passed by law making bodies. For example, the statute was passed by the parliament unanimously. Next, temper टेम्परेंस यानी मॉडरेशन इन हैबिट्स. टेम्परेंस यानी मॉडरेशन इन हैबिट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, वी शुड ऑब्जर्व टेम्परेंस इन ईटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग हैबिट्स बिकॉज इट लीड्स टू हेल्दी वे ऑफ लाइफ. नेक्स्ट, टेम्परामेंट यानी डिस्पोजिशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, नेचर नहीं, टेम्परामेंट यानी डिस्पोजिशन और नेचर. फॉर एग्जांपल, ऑलवेज कीप फ्रॉम पर्सन्स ऑफ कॉलेरिक टेम्परामेंट. नेक्स्ट, टॉलरेबल यानी बियरेबल. फॉर एग्जांपल, द फूड दैट वाज सर्व्ड इन हिज डॉटर्स मैरिज वाज टॉलरेबल. नेक्स्ट, टॉलरेंट यानी लिबरल इन आइडियाज. फॉर एग्जांपल, एवरी religion teaches us to be tolerant of the religious views held by others. Next, temporal यानी worldly or physical. For example, we should not hanker after temporal glory. Next, temporary यानी lasting for short time. For example, he was given the job on the temporary basis only. Next, temper यानी middle with. For example, please do not tamper with my papers. Next, temper यानी emotional state of mind or soften. For example, one must not lose one's temper. Next, team यानी full of. For example, India is a country teeming with natural resources. Next, team यानी group of players. For example, his name has not been included in the college cricket team. Next, uninterested यानी having no interest. For example, Gaurav is uninterested in the study of science. Next, disinterested यानी free from personal motive. For example, a disinterested leader of the party always commands respect from his followers. Next, variation यानी change. For example, variation in his blood pressure worried the doctors. Next, variance यानी opposite. For example, my views are always at variance with my father's. Next, vocation यानी profession. For example, signing is both his vocation and advocation. Next, avocation यानी hobby. For example, gardening is a very fortunate avocation of my father. Next, virtuous यानी having virtues. For example, she is a virtuous and devoted housewife. Next, virtual यानी real. For example, her mother is the virtual head of the family. Next, voracity यानी greed. For example, he is detested on account of his voracity for wealth. Next, veracity यानी truthfulness. For example, it is very difficult to verify the veracity of her statement since she is very clever. Next, van यानी weathercock. For example, the wind vane points to the direction of the wind. Next, van यानी proud or useless. For example, she is vain of her wealth. Next, van van यानी decline. For example, his popularity as a political leader is on the wane. Next, vein यानी a blood vein. For example, all the veins carry blood to heart. Next, vessel, vassal यानी a slave. For example, in ancient times, prisoners of war were made vassals. Next, vessel यानी a small ship or utensil. For example, empty vessels make much noise. For example, venal यानी corruptible. For example, the venal leaders are ban of Indian polity. Next, venial यानी to be forgiven. For example, the fault is so slight that it is thought to be venial. Next, wreak यानी take revenge. For example, at least the wreaked vengeance by killing his enemy. Wreck यानी destroy. For example, the fury of the storm wrecked many houses. Next, wither यानी fade. For example, the plants kept in the shade will wither for want of sun and light. Next, wither यानी where. For example, modern man is so much confused that he does not know whither he is heading for. Next, willing यानी ready. For example, we should always be willing to help the needy. Next, willful यानी deliberate. For example, his marriage was a total failure on account of his willful nature. Next, wave यानी sea or river wave. For example, the waves rose sky high when the storm blew up. Next, wave WAIVE. Wave यानी remove or forgo. For example, government has at least agreed to waive excise duty on clothes. Next, rest यानी snatch by force. For example, the enemy rested his gun and killed him. Next, rest यानी peace. For example, please go and take a rest now. Next, womanly यानी of woman good sense. For example, my mother has womanly virtues. Next, womanis यानी of woman bad sense. For example, his voice is womanish as it is quite shrill. Next, whet whet यानी increase interest. For example, lemon will whet your appetite for more food. Next, wheat यानी screening. For example, the candidates were vetted for security reasons. Next, wet यानी covered with water or liquid. For example, he got wet in the rain and is now well.